They receive my new tablet. I call Note 4 and 4. See that? And continue. Unboxing. Start. Nothing. Paper wrap. Side this. Next.
Keyboard.
This is mobile and keyboard.
Keyboard.
Unbox keyboard.
Very good quality.
I think so.
Okay.
Oh,
Very nice quality.
cushion. There are mobile set.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Then continue.
ये उड़ जी
Nothing. It's
बहुत ही अच्छा है ये.
हाँ बहुत ही अच्छा है.
स्टैंडर्ड क्वालिटी.
हाँ स्टैंडर्ड क्वालिटी का है. ठीक.
अच्छा ठीक है ये साइड पे रखते हैं.
इसको साइड में रखते हैं. अभी टैबलेट को अनबॉक्स करते हैं. What is this? Already unboxed?
No.
Okay. I call N4 tablet. Volt support. Everything okay. This is a tablet. Side this. Extra continent. Check extra continent. This side. Adapter, power adapter. How much the volt and ampere? 2 ampere.
2.1.
2.1 ampere and 5 volt. Okay.
Made in India.
Made in India. It's good. Simple. USB Type C. Simple.
नहीं, Type C नहीं होगा. Standard होगा.
Standard. Simple.
ये बहुत ही अच्छा है.
Earphone.
नहीं स्टैंडर्ड है स्टैंडर्ड.
Okay.
ओ बहुत ही अच्छा क्वालिटी का है रे. जो जॉइनिंग है ये बहुत अच्छा है. ओके और
OTG cable. It's good.
Oh. Okay, done.
Bought this mobile. Sorry. Boughting this. I call tab. Sometime. Speaker quality is good.
Slow ना?
Yes. Starting Android. Okay. Android is starting. Complete this booting. Marshmallow. It's good. Good. How much the RAM?
1 GB.
1 GB. It's good. Okay, complete our unboxing video and review is good.
100% charge. Oh, that's good.
That's really good. Okay.